On the dark shores of British Columbia, it all began on August 20th, 2007. Hikers were walking along the nearly deserted beaches when one of them discovered a human foot inside a sneaker floating on the surface of the water near Jedediah Island. While this discovery was strange, what made the matter even more mysterious was that it wasn't the only foot to be found. Over the next 2 years, the shoreline continued to yield disturbing discoveries, one foot after another, each one washing up under the same conditions, inside a sneaker in shallow water with no other body parts in sight. The severed feet appeared at irregular intervals and were found in different locations along the coast. Speculation began to rise. Was it merely a coincidence, or was this a mysterious phenomenon? The discoveries included Gabriola Island, Westham Island, Valdez Island, and also Kirkland Island. As the discoveries continued, panic spread throughout both the local community and the international public. Some media outlets began to speak of a sea monster, while various theories emerged suggesting that someone was behind the phenomenon, or perhaps a serial killer was leaving a signature by severing the feet of their victims. The internet was flooded with speculation. Some believed the feet were the result of criminal activity, while others proposed that the incident was linked to mysterious religious rituals. In forensic laboratories, examinations were ongoing. DNA analysis was conducted on some of the feet, and scientists began uncovering some unsettling truths. Many of the feet belonged to individuals who had gone missing in drowning accidents or even suicide cases. However, there was something strange about these feet. In some instances, the feet had been separated from the bodies in a precise and unexplained manner, adding to the complexity of the mystery. Biologists and marine scientists soon began offering scientific explanations. According to their analysis, the ankle joint is one of the weakest points when a human body decomposes in the ocean. As a result, the severed feet could be the outcome of a natural decomposition process, where the foot detaches from a body due to ocean currents and modern sneakers, which float and preserve the foot. This was the only explanation that initially seemed to make sense. But even with these scientific explanations, the questions didn't stop. Some continued to believe that there was something mysterious behind the puzzle, that the sea was hiding more than we know. Some of the feet belonged to people who had been missing for years, while others were victims of drowning whose bodies had been found far from the shores of British Columbia. Why were only the feet separated? Could all these incidents really be coincidences? Is there something more behind it all? Today, more than a decade after the first discovery, the mystery remains. While the police have found some answers, the phenomenon is still shrouded in uncertainty. Perhaps the sea alone holds the truth, but like many of the ocean's secrets, silence remains its only response. What do you think about this phenomenon? Do you believe there is a scientific explanation behind these severed feet, or is there a deeper secret that is yet to be uncovered? Could a serial killer be behind it all? Share your thoughts in the comments. Do you think the sea is hiding a greater secret? Or are these merely coincidences that happen to receive widespread media attention? Let's discuss.